Ever get ready to print something and you find out you're out of ink? That was my situation. Had to order me some ink. I'm going to get it opened up, get it loaded up, and we're going to see how quick it dries, and we're going to see how good the colors are in the print. You'll just remove the orange cover right here. Just lift up on that, and it'll pop right off. Push down on your ink cartridge that's in there, and it will fall out there. And you slide this back in there. Get it in there. Get it like that, and just push up on it. And you'll click into place. Like I said, just pop that off, just like that. Make sure your little contacts right here go straight to the back. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. And now we're going to print a test page, see how well it works. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks really good, especially to be on just regular paper. It's fast drying ink. And this is a darker spot, and not smudging, not on my finger, not at all. Really good ink. As you can see, did a really good job. By the way, I forgot to mention it on the cartridges themselves. Where the contacts are, there's a little thin, clear piece of film. Don't forget to remove that. I removed it, I just forgot to mention that. So, my bad. Anyway, ink does a really good job, dries quick, and the colors are really nice. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission. Thanks for watching.